Welcome to Click and Learn YouTube channel.
Welcome to the channel. This is VW Golf 2016 model diesel car. Have a look what happened here. I'm going to start the car. You can see engine management light on. Same time, I'll just start the car. I can hear some winding noise. I don't know, can you hear? Looks like some belt rubbing. I'm not sure. However, first of all, I'm going to check what the cause for that. I'm going to plug in my computer and have a look what's happened for this engine management light. It say P067100 cylinder 1 glow plug circuit. That's why it say. However, I'm going to try to delete these faulty codes. Completed. Again, I'm going back to the faulty codes and have a look. Is it still there? Yeah, at the moment no faulty codes there because I already delete. But however, before that, couple of time I'm going to start. Nothing coming up, and switch off and start again, and I'm going to check the faulty codes again. Anything coming up? Read faulty codes. Yeah, at the moment no faulty codes. Okay, I'm going to switch off the car because customer went to the another garage. They reset. Customer told after week that light illuminate because this one related to the glow plugs. Then glow plugs job, when you're going to do it, be careful. I'm going to the engine bay. If it snap, you ending with the big major engine repair. Careful when you're going to do it. I'll give the nice tip when you're going to do it. First of all, I'm going to show you how we're going to check the glow plugs. Oh, it's a circuit problem. Need to open this cover. Thank you. Yeah, you can see glow plug sit on here. This is the glow plug number 1, 2. This is the third one underneath because this is the special glow plug, and this is the number 4 glow plugs. First of all, I'm going to remove the connectors and check the glow plugs with my multimeter, make sure is working or not. If you have a like this tool, it's a bit handy. You can remove glow plug connector easily. This is the special one, third one. And the fourth one. Right. Next step, I'm going to little bit blow because inside you can see inside glow plug hole little bit dust deposit. All four same. You can see the here lot of dust inside. Before remove the plugs, I'm going to blow dust out. You can see, otherwise everything going your inside the engine is not good for the engine. Right, nice and clean. Now next step, I'm going to using my multimeter, and I'm going to set up ohm. Red one you can line to the tip, and this one you can do to the body, any good there. And I'm going to check number 4. (1.4) number 4, and the number 3 1.4 exactly, sorry, number 2 1.4 exactly. Then we'll see number 1, 3.951, basically the multimeter confirming number 1 glow plug not doing the job. And the other thing, when you're going to remove the glow plug, keep it the car running at least half an hour, make sure all around hot, and after that it will helpful for remove the glow plugs. I already left it running car half an hour, then I'm not going to bother. If you leave it little bit longer, leave it longer, but when you're going to remove, it's bit hot that area, doesn't matter. Now I'm going to remove the glow plugs, and I already ordered glow plugs, just came. Right, normal glow plugs, Bosch one, and this one separate. This is the pressure one. Okay, then I'm going to remove the glow plugs. And also when you're going to use smaller ratchet, I'm going to use 3/8 ratchet, but I'm going to hold from here, not hold from end. Then if you hold from end, you don't know the weight. When I hold here, then I feel to my hand how is the weight. Better to use very smaller ratchet, then you know how is the feeling. Otherwise you ending with the snap glow plug. Be careful. You need a 10mm long socket for this job. Very gently. Right, number 1 managed to remove without any problem. This is the faulty one. Now I'm going to try number 2 very gently. Right, number 2 also fine, and number 4. Right, number 4 also nice. Happy day. Still I can't say happy day. I had to try number 3. But if you leave it car running maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, until engine get good temperature, then you will be fine. Right, then after that I had to remove the special glow plug. Now I am going to remove special glow plugs. You need a 12mm socket for that one. Right, that one also remove easily. Happy day. Now I am going to install new plugs. Make sure always use the good quality parts, otherwise you ending with unexpected problem. Be careful. And I am going to compare old one and new one. Length same, yeah, head same. Then I'm going to install. If you want, you can apply slightly grease around the thread area, make it life easier. This is the special glow plug. Compare with the special one. Yeah, it's fine. Same thing, little bit grease and install. second one, and the faulty one. Yes, I'm going to faulty one leave at the floor. Then I'll show you another step how we're going to check without multimeter. But sometime latest cars is not going to be work, but old cars, that way also you can check the glow plug work or not. I'll show you in a minute. First of all, I'm going to do the hand tight. If it going cross thread, I feel to my hand. I'm not sure how is the tightening torques, but you can find out the Google, but I'm going with by my experience and my feeling. Right, nice and tight. After that, I'm going to install electric connectors. Make sure press in all the way in, otherwise ending with another faulty code. Yeah, right, all plugs in. Sorry, the cover the thing. Now job done. I'm going to keep the car running half an hour to make sure everything okay. Right, while it's run, I'll show you how we're going to check your glow plugs. This glow plug, good one, I'm going to connect here. You can connect negative line to the body, it's not a problem. And this is negative, and I'm going to show you how is that. Right, you can see the tip, it's get red hot. That's why the glow plug work. This glow plug definitely work. After that, if you want, you can touch the tip. I'm not going to say anything. We'll see. This is the faulty one. We'll see. See the faulty one. Can you see the tip? Even I can touch the tip. Right, definitely number one faulty. This is the working one. When you do it like that, you can see the it's get red hot. Right, I left it running half an hour. I'm going to switch off, start, switch off, start. Now I'm going to have a look. Any sleeping fault code there related to this repair. Right, you can see no any present code. Right, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do, how to check your glow plugs, how to change. But when you're going to change it, be careful, leave the car running maybe half an hour, 45 minutes to get bit engine hot. Then after that you'll be fine. But don't going to use bigger tool like a half-inch ratchet or something. Use it smaller quarter ratchet. Then you feel to your hand how is the tightening thing. Okay, hopefully you can do the like this job your own now. Be careful. Thank you. See you in the next video.